Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain what I will teach you and how I will teach you. Here this is the virtual box and Windows is behind. You can see. Here I will teach. I will use both Windows and Linux. That's why I use VirtualBox. I will teach you about what is VirtualBox and how we install VirtualBox and how we set up VirtualBox and how do we open the Linux. How do we install the Linux top of the VirtualBox and how do we open. First of all, I just to explain my way of teaching. Here is the Linux operating system I have already installed, and I'm going to start the Linux distribution. And this is Linux CentOS 7 distribution. So you can see inside this box, um, the Linux operating system is starting. Okay, it's starting. Wait some time. Yeah, there are two accounts. I'm going to log in with Spider account. And I'm typing my password. Okay, we are in the Linux machine. There you can see there is the Linux machine, and I'm going to open the terminal, and I will teach you inside the terminal. This is the terminal, and there are commands you can use like cd commands, pwd command, and ifconfig command, and if you see cd means change directory. ls command also there. First of all, ls command, ls minus l. You can see the directories and the directories and properties of directories. If you type ls only, you will see only the directories. If you type ls minus l command, you will see the directories with properties. Mostly servers, you can't access this user interface directly. User interface like this is the graphical user interface, but this is CLI, command line interface. So you can only access command line interface most of the servers like Red Hat. So that's why we learn terminal commands and shell scripts. We will learn shell scripts also. It will be very technical after this. After sometimes basic will be very easy. I'm just typing these commands for explanation purposes to let you know how I will teach you in the later sessions. So I want to show one interesting thing for now. If you open the PuTTY application in the Windows, you can access the Linux from Windows. So that you need the IP address of the Linux computer. If you want to get IP address, you have to type ifconfig. Ifconfig. And if you want in one line, type you can type it to more. I will teach you all of these commands. I just type. I never explain now. So here you can see the IP address, and then you type in the Windows client 192.168.1.103. Okay, then open. Then you can log in. You can log in to the Linux from Windows. So log in as the other account. From Linux, I have another account called Zing. Okay, I have to type password. You see, you can't see when I type the password, you can't see here. The Linux distribution never give the feedback, visual feedback of when we type the password. Okay. Then I want to show here, and this is the server and this is the client. You say this is the server and this is the client, right? So both are servers, but this is the main server manager, and this is the other working person. You say Zane is one of the account who is a one employee in a company, and this is the server manager. So server manager want to contact the this person, so he can write to Zane, and that's immediately the message is going like message from Spider. Spider is a server. So, manager can type file. Manager is here. Okay. Then mm, we delete the X file. Delete the X file. Some file. So he wanted to tell something to this uh, employee, then he will delete the file. He don't need to chat in WhatsApp and all. He can type in the command line. He can contact the command line and say something. So if you want to close this terminal, close the chat, and then Control D, then it will automatically close the chat. If a manager want to broadcast the message to all users, then how can write message to all? Cannot write one by one, right? So there's a command wall. Then type hi. I am going to shut down the machine, shut down the server. Um, Manager is broadcasting because he wanted to shut down the server because he want to update or something maintenance purposes. So he want to broadcast a message. So if he type and Control D, then immediately all clients, they will get this message. That's main point I have to say here. And you can learn a lot of commands and um, programming also. If you know the C programming, then it's fine. It's better. C or Python or C++, any programming language is better. Or if you know the logic, it's better to understand easily. Otherwise, no problem. I will explain all of the things and all, and don't worry about it. This video for my way of explanation. The explanation will be like this. If you would like, you can follow this course, and please comment below. Then only I can upload more videos. Uh, no need to if you want to say anything, if you want to ask any questions, you can ask in comment. So that's it. And I will teach you from scratch. I will start from module one. It will not be like this. The first will be introduction session, and then the installation of the virtual box and installation of Linux distribution to the virtual box. After that, shell scripting. After that, networking and all. You can learn a lot. So thank you very much, and please comment below. Thank you very much. Bye.